My dear friend, I am Vijay Kumar Pal, an author. Now I will disclose the cruelty of the Islam against the Hindus, because not even the Islam but all the Abrahamic religion is based on the hatred, hate spreading theology, and on this theology that a Muslim can go to only heaven, a Christian only can go to heaven. So these the foolish stupidity of these religion, though Islam is not a Abrahamic religion, because it was enforced by Muhammad to make the Islam as a Abrahamic religion. So he has stolen all the deities or the messenger of the God or Jehovah from the Judaism and the Christianity. Some of them as Abraham as Ibrahim in Islam, David as Daud in Islam, Jesus, Isa, Jesus as Isa in Abraham, Joseph as Yaqub in Ibrahim in Islam. So Muhammad was a perfect stoner. But today we will discuss about the cruelty against the Indians when the first attack was on this India by Saudi Arabia in 720. That is Muhammad. First attacker was the Muhammad of the 17 years old boy. Here is a Zam from the Rizwan Salim, who is also a Muslim. In 1997, in ST, what is the invader really did to India? Savage at a very low level of civilization, no culture worth the name from Arabia and the West Asia became entering India from the early century onwards. Because these Islamic peoples and the Arabic people had no civilization, no social harmony, not ethics. They are the purely barbaric, as they are living in the beginning of the earth. They were just barbaric, as the many animals has no social value or etiquettes, except they want to feed himself by force and the sexual intercourse by the power. So Islam is just like a animal like ideology, barbaric ideology. So Islam is not a Abrahamic religion, but is the religion of the Muhammad who created the Allah in 610.